Good morning, everyone. Lesson 3, Chapter 3, Functions and Linear Equations. Before we start taking this exercise, I want to give you an idea about the equation of the line, the three forms of the equation of the line. Let's get started. Suppose that you have a line like this one in the Cartesian plane, and it has 2 points, 0, 1, and 2 and 4. We can write the equation of this line in three forms. The first form is this one, which is y equals mx plus b. This is called the slope-intercept form. Why we call it slope-intercept form? Because it appears from the equation, the slope, which is 3 over 2, and the intercept, which is 1, the y-intercept. The y-intercept means the point where the line intersects with the y-axis. How can we get this form? First, you have to get the slope. The slope of the line is the difference in y over the difference of x. So it will be 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1, sorry, over 2 minus 0. y2 minus y1. Let's consider this point is x1, x2, y2. And this point is x1 and y1. So if you get the difference between y over the difference between x, you will get 3 over 2. This will be the slope of the line. You can use the slope and the point like this. Y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope. Y equals 3 over 2 x plus this one is this point, which is the y-intercept. So now you got the equation of the line in the slope-intercept form. You can also write this equation of the line in different form, which is point-slope form. The point-slope form is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. The m is the slope also, it's 3 over 2. And what about the x1 and the y1? It is the point, this one, 0 and 1. So you can replace the x1 by 0 and the y1 by 1 and keep the x and y. So now you got the equation, just simplify it, multiply the 3 over 2 times x, it will be 3 over 2x, and 3 over 2 times 0 equals 0. This equation is called the point-slope form of the equation of the line. There is another form which is called the standard form. This is called the standard form of the equation of the line, which is ax plus by equals c. How can you get it? You can get it from the point-slope form or the y-intercept form. How? Just simplify and keep the x and y in the left side and the number in the right side. Example, y minus 1 equals 3 over 2x. If you get the 3 over 2 to the other side and get the 1 to the right side, it will be y minus 3 over 2x equals 1. And then multiply all by 2 to get rid of this 2. So it will be 2y minus 3x equals 2. Now I got the x and y in the left side and number in the right side. This is called the standard form of the equation of the line. Let's start with number 1 here. Number 1 and 2 refers to the same figure. Question 1 and 2. Question 1 to 3, 1, 2, and 3 refer to the following information. The diagram of the linear equation is shown in the diagram above. We have 2 points in the line. And let's see, what does he want? Number 1, which of the following is the equation of the line in point-slope form? I want to write the equation of this line in point-slope form. First I have to get the slope. M, the slope, equals y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Let's consider this is x2 and y2. and this point is x1, y1. Get the difference of y over the difference of x. You have to get the difference of y above, so it will be -4 minus 2 over 4 minus -4. 4 minus -4 means 4 plus 4. So it will be -6 over 8. If you simplify, it will be -3 over 4. This is the slope of the line. Now use the slope and the point, which is on y1. Write the form first. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. This is the form of the point slope form. Keep the y1 is go back. The y1 is 2 and the x1 is -4. So y minus 2 equals m, which is -3 over 4, times x minus x1, which is 4, because it's negative. Y minus 2 equals, so this will be number B. C. Yes, C. The second question. Which of the following is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? Means I want to change this to slope-intercept form. Just simplify it. Look, y minus 2 equals -3 over 4 multiplied by x will be -3 over 4x, and -3 over 4 multiplied by 4. If you multiply this by 4, the 4 cancel the 4, it will be only -3. Right, and get this -2 to the other side. And this will be -3 and +2. -3 and +2 equals -1. So the answer will be number B. Number 3 is here. Which of the following is the equation of the line in standard form? Also, I can use this one and simplify it. Y equals -3 over 4x minus 1. Y equals -3 over 4x minus 1. Just get the x with the y. It will be y plus 3 over 4x equals -1. And then multiply all by 4. It will be 4y. If you multiply the 4 times 3 over 4, you will get 3x. If you multiply 4 times -1 equals -4. Now I got the x and y in the left side and number in the right side, so this is the standard form of the equation. So this will be number D. So the 3 question is talking about the same graph, how to get the equation in 3 different forms. Number 4 is a live application of the equation of the line. In 2005, 120 students at Lincoln High School had smartphones. By 2010, means after 5 years, 345 students. The number increased from 120 to 345 had smartphone. Which of the following best describes the annual rate of change in the number of smartphones students had from 2005 to 2010? The average rate of change means the slope, means the increase of the smartphone, means 345 minus 120. This is the increase of the number of phones over the years. How many years? From 2005 2005 to 2010. So it is 225. The increase is 225 over 5 years, which is 45. So the average rate is 45. The average increase in the number of smartphones per year means it is considered that the number increase 45 every year. This is called the average rate of change. Again, the average rate of change is the difference of the increase over years, over the period of time. Number 5, which of the following is the equation of the line that passes through the point 4 and -1 and has a slope -2? Means I have a point and I have a slope ready. And I want to write the equation. What is the suitable form here? Yes, it's the point slope form, which is saying that y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. The m is the slope, which is -2. Keep the x, keep the y. Where is the y1 and x1? Let's consider the y1 and this consider the x1. This consider the x1 and this is the y1. So it will be y minus y1, which is -1, so it will be +1, equals -2 times x minus x1, which is 4. This is the equation, but you need to simplify it and write it in the standard form, because those equations are written in the standard form. It will be y plus 1 equals -2x, -2 times -4 equals +8. Get this x here and get the 1 to the other side. It will be 8 minus 1, which is 7. Y plus 2x equals 7, so the answer is number D. Thank you.